Now pyramid down. I'm at I'm on the 25s, pyramid down to the 25 pound plates. All right. I haven't been able to do that in a very long time. To be able to take the 25-pound plates and go up to 10, to hit 10 times, it's been a long time. I've been consistent with my workout in a very, very long time. But to be able to do that and let me know that cutting out meat must have played a part in me continuing to keep growing strength and endurance. So, what overall is God, I promise. Because you have to be committed mentally before anything else can follow. Yes. I'm telling you, it's wonderful to stay working out and stay loving it. You know, I wish that I could stay consistent. One day I'm gonna get there in my lifestyle where I could be able to stay consistent like I used to. But to be able to eat healthy things, to be able to gain that overall optimal body mindset. I'm out. Peace and love.